Welcome to today's video, Heal with Herbs for a Healthier You. Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. I'm so excited to welcome you to my herbal healing journey, where we'll dive deep into the world of plants and their amazing benefits. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting to explore the wonders of nature, there's something here for everyone. Have you ever thought about the incredible healing power of herbs? These humble plants, often growing right in our backyards or on our windowsills, have been used for centuries to support health and well-being. From soothing teas to aromatic oils, herbs offer a natural way to nurture our bodies and minds. I'm inviting you to join me as I embark on a personal journey of herbal healing for 1 week. Each day, I'll be documenting my experiences, sharing recipes, remedies, and reflections in my journal. I hope my story inspires you to try your own herbal adventure, no matter how big or small. Before starting, I spent time researching different herbs, learning about their traditional uses and modern benefits. It's amazing how much wisdom has been passed down through generations, and how much there still is to discover. I've always been fascinated by the natural world, especially the incredible properties of plants. There's something magical about watching a tiny seed grow into a vibrant, healing herb. It reminds me that nature is full of surprises and gifts just waiting to be explored. For centuries, people have turned to nature for remedies, using herbs to soothe ailments and promote wellness. Ancient texts and family traditions are filled with stories of healing plants, and today, we can blend that wisdom with our own experiences to create something truly special. This week, I am setting aside conventional medicines and embracing the power of plants. I'll be making herbal teas, infusions, and even trying out some homemade salves. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and listen to what my body truly needs. Each day I'll focus on a different herb, exploring its unique qualities and how it can support my health. From calming chamomile to invigorating peppermint, I'm eager to see how these plants can make a difference in my daily life. My goal is to deepen my connection with nature, understand traditional herbal wisdom, and experience the gentle healing power of herbs. I believe that by slowing down and paying attention to the plants around us, we can find balance, peace, and renewed energy. Join me as we explore the world of herbal remedies together. Let's learn, grow, and heal with the help of nature's green gifts. I can't wait to share this journey with you and hear about your own experiences along the way. Let's start with calendula, a cheerful flower that brings a burst of sunshine to any garden. You can easily spot calendula with its vibrant orange or yellow petals resembling miniature suns. Calendula is a powerhouse of healing properties, traditionally used to soothe skin irritations, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. I love adding calendula petals to homemade salves and creams for their gentle touch on the skin. Next, we have yarrow, a resilient plant that thrives in meadows and along roadsides. Yarrow has feathery leaves and delicate clusters of white or pink flowers. Known as the warrior's herb, yarrow has a long history of use in traditional medicine to stop bleeding, heal wounds, and reduce fever. I always keep a jar of dried yarrow flowers on hand to make a soothing tea when I'm feeling under the weather. Echinacea, with its distinctive spiky cone-shaped flower heads, is a familiar sight in herbal gardens. This vibrant flower is not just beautiful to look at, but also a potent immune booster. Echinacea has been traditionally used to strengthen the body's natural defenses, especially during the cold and flu season. I like to take echinacea tincture preventatively during the winter months to support my immune system. Elder, with its clusters of small dark berries, has been a beloved hedgerow plant for centuries. These berries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Elderberry syrup is a traditional remedy for colds and flu, believed to shorten the duration and severity of symptoms. I enjoy making elderberry syrup in the autumn when the berries are ripe, and, well, it's a staple in my winter wellness cabinet. Lemon balm, with its fragrant lemon-scented leaves, is a joy to grow in the garden. This calming herb has a long history of use for its mood-boosting and relaxing properties. Lemon balm tea is my go-to remedy for easing stress and promoting restful sleep. I find its gentle lemon flavor and calming aroma incredibly soothing, especially after a long day. Finally, no herbal journey would be complete without lavender, with its beautiful purple blooms and intoxicating aroma. Lavender is renowned for its calming and sleep-enhancing properties. I love incorporating lavender into my bedtime routine, whether it's adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to my bath or placing a lavender sachet under my pillow. Its soothing scent never fails to promote a peaceful night's sleep. Now that we've explored the basics of herbalism, let's put our knowledge into action with 2 simple, rewarding recipes. These are perfect for anyone just starting out, and they're a wonderful way to experience the gentle power of herbs in your daily routine. Whether you're looking to unwind at the end of a long day or nourish your skin naturally, these recipes are easy to follow and use ingredients you can find at most health food stores or even grow at home. First, let's make a calming bedtime tea, a soothing blend that can help you relax and prepare for restful sleep. For this recipe, you'll need 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers. Chamomile is well known for its gentle sedative properties and its ability to calm both the mind and body. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flowers. Lavender not only smells wonderful, but it also helps ease tension and promote a sense of tranquility. Finally, include half a teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves. Lemon balm has a light citrusy flavor and is known for its calming effects, making it a perfect addition to this bedtime blend. To prepare your tea, simply combine all the herbs in a tea infuser or directly in your teapot. Mixing the herbs together allows their flavors and benefits to blend harmoniously. Pour freshly boiled water over the herbs, making sure they're fully covered. Let the mixture steep for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the herbs to release their soothing properties and delicate flavors. After steeping, strain the tea into your favorite mug. Take a moment to inhale the calming aroma before sipping slowly. This warm, soothing cup is perfect to enjoy about 30 minutes before bedtime, helping you unwind and transition into a peaceful night's sleep. If you like, you can add a touch of honey or a slice of lemon for extra flavor and comfort. This tea is gentle enough for most people, but always check for allergies before trying new herbs. Now let's move on to our second recipe, a homemade calendula moisturizer. This simple infusion is a wonderful way to care for your skin using the healing properties of calendula flowers. You'll need half a cup of dried calendula petals. Calendula is celebrated for its soothing, anti-inflammatory, and skin-repairing qualities, making it ideal for sensitive or dry skin. Next, measure out 1 cup of carrier oil. Almond oil is a popular choice for its light texture and nourishing properties, but you can also use olive oil for a richer feel or jojoba oil for a non-greasy finish. Choose the carrier oil that best suits your skin type or personal preference. Each oil brings its own unique benefits to the final product. Place the dried calendula petals into a clean, dry glass jar. Make sure the jar is large enough to hold both the petals and the oil with some room to spare. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the petals, ensuring they are completely submerged. This helps extract the beneficial compounds from the calendula into the oil. Once the jar is filled, seal it tightly with a lid to keep out air and moisture. Place the jar in a warm, sunny spot, such as a windowsill, for 4 to 6 weeks. The warmth and sunlight help the calendula infuse into the oil, drawing out its healing properties. Every few days, give the jar a gentle shake to mix the contents and encourage even infusion. This simple step ensures that all the petals are exposed to the oil. After 4 to 6 weeks, your oil will be ready. Strain it through a cheesecloth or muslin cloth into a clean jar, discarding the used petals. The resulting oil will be a beautiful golden color, rich with calendula's soothing benefits. Your calendula-infused oil is now ready to use as a gentle, moisturizing treatment for dry or irritated skin. Apply a few drops to your hands, face, or any area in need of extra care. With these 2 simple recipes, you can start enjoying the natural benefits of herbs in your everyday life. As I conclude my week of herbal healing, I find myself reflecting on the many ways nature has quietly supported and nourished me. Each day spent among the herbs, I felt a gentle shift, a sense of calm, clarity, and renewed energy that only deepened as the days passed. I'm struck by the profound connection between nature and well-being. The simple act of touching fresh leaves, inhaling their earthy aroma, and observing the vibrant life all around me has been a powerful reminder that healing is not just about remedies, but about relationships with the earth, with ourselves, and with the cycles of life. Embracing herbal remedies is more than just using plants for their medicinal properties. It's about honoring the wisdom passed down through generations and recognizing that every leaf and root carries a story. Preparing herbal teas and tinctures became a ritual, a way to slow down and appreciate the gifts that nature so generously provides. It's about tapping into a wealth of traditional knowledge, learning from those who came before us, and sharing what we discover with others. I was reminded of the importance of community, how families and friends have gathered for centuries to share remedies, recipes, and stories about the plants that heal. And rediscovering the healing power of the natural world means noticing the small miracles, the dew on a leaf at dawn, the scent of fresh herbs in your hands, the quiet strength of roots growing beneath the soil. These moments invite us to slow down and reconnect with the world around us. Throughout this journey, I have been constantly reminded of the importance of listening to our bodies, tuning in to what we need, and allowing ourselves the space to rest and heal. Whether through meditation, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of herbal tea, these practices have helped me find balance and peace. Respecting the rhythms of nature, waking with the sun, tending to plants as they grow, and honoring the changing seasons has taught me patience and gratitude. Nature moves at its own pace, and when we align ourselves with its rhythms, we find a deeper sense of harmony. And appreciating the simple yet profound gifts that plants offer has brought me so much joy. From the first sprout to the final harvest, every stage is a celebration of life's resilience and beauty. I encourage you to embark on your own herbal exploration. Step outside, wander through a local park or garden, and let your curiosity guide you. Notice the wild herbs growing at your feet and imagine the possibilities they hold. Start by learning about the plants in your local area, using guides or apps to help you identify them. Each plant has its own unique properties and history, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Experiment with herbal teas and remedies, and don't be afraid to try new combinations. The process of making your own blends can be both creative and deeply satisfying, connecting you to traditions that span cultures and centuries. Experience the joy of connecting with nature in a meaningful way. Share your herbal discoveries with friends and family, and invite them to join you on this journey. There is so much to learn and so much to celebrate together. Share your favorite recipes, your stories, and your experiences. Each one adds to the tapestry of knowledge that connects us all. Let's continue to learn from each other, building a community rooted in respect for nature and a passion for wellness. Together we can celebrate the power of plants, the wisdom of tradition, and the beauty of a life lived in harmony with nature. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.